Hi, this is Rock. This video is going to be about Isblank, Iseven, and Isodd. So let's put together a list of numbers here. I'm going to say, let's give us 25. This is so straightforward. We're going to look at Isblank. That's true for this one, false for these, and true for that one. So you see how that was Isblank. Now let's do Iseven. These are logical formulas, ones that return true or false. So let's say Iseven. We'll select the same cells, one above and one below the range. And so it failed. Iseven doesn't like to work with array formulas. So let's try this again, and I'm going to choose just this cell and hit enter and see how it says false. And if I copy this down, it treats 1 as false because 1 is not even, 2 as true because 2 is an even number, and then it alternates back and forth. And interestingly, it treats this space as true. So when we had an error before, it wasn't that it didn't understand what to do with a blank space. It had to do with the fact that I was selecting a full array, and it only works in specific single references, one at a time. But let's try if I type something in here that's not even a number. It gives me a value error. So it's really looking for and only can work with a number there. Now let's try Isodd. And we can expect it's going to be the same thing here. So let's say Isodd. Copy that down. And you see how it's false in that it's blank, where it's true when it's blank. So blank is considered even. Empty cells are considered even by Excel, something you should know. What about 0? Is 0 odd or even? Let's see. Excel considers it even, just so you know. There we go. That is blank, is even, and is odd. And next we're going to look at is formula, is logical, and is number. See you then.